Greetings and warm holiday wishes to all from my heart, mind, and soul. I believe in the magic of dreams, the power of positivity, and the strength of the human spirit. As the year draws to a close and we prepare to usher in 2024, it is a time to reflect, rejuvenate, and set our sights on the horizon of new beginnings. Life, as we all know, is an ongoing journey of discovery, growth, and transformation. And I'm here on this Life Mastery TV channel looking forward to what is yet to come. If you're just joining me, I'm AliciaMarie Belchak, your life and leadership coach, to guide you on this dream building and life mastery journey. I'm here to help you navigate the ebbs and flows of life, soar through the highs and lows of taming the chaos, and claim the brilliance that shines forth as you reach for and fully realize your dreams and aspirations. Now, as we stand on the threshold of a new year, it's time to take a moment to reflect on our past, appreciate our present, and visualize our future. It's time to dream, my friends. Dream big, dream wild, and dream without fear. For our dreams are the seeds from which our future grows. Here are some affirmations for you to ponder upon during this special reflective and dream building time. Repeat these to yourself, believe in them, and see the magic unfold. I am the architect of my life. I build its foundation and choose its contents. I possess the qualities needed to be extremely successful. My ability to conquer challenges is limitless. My potential to succeed is infinite. Every day, in every way, I am becoming more and more successful. I am courageous and I stand up for myself. I am a powerhouse. I am stronger than any circumstance, situation, or condition. Remember, the power of affirmation lies in repetition and belief. So affirm these mantras daily, believe in them, and watch as they work their magic in your life. As we prepare to step into the new year, let's promise ourselves to stay true to our dreams, to focus and stay focused on our goals, to stay committed to our journey. And now, from the bottom of my heart, I wish you a year filled with joy, success, and fulfillment. May the year 2024 be the year when all your dreams come true. The year when you find your true purpose, and the year you discover your true potential. Here's to the new year, a new journey, and a new you. Happy New Year, Dream Builders and Life Masters, and Merry Christmas. Free Dream Builder sessions now available. Click the link below to claim yours.